Okay, so this is going to be the first official video, even though it's way newer than a lot of the other videos I'm going to put on here. This is the channel from the Flippin' Idiot. As you can see down here, this is a Paul McCobb with its awesome mid-century modern handles. There's a plate in here that's actually riveted. So got this for about 35 bucks. If I had all the handles, it would be about a $1,200 dresser, but I don't. And to top it off, I have this handle that I took off, but this one was broken and they tried to blowtorch it on, and that's why the veneer is messed up. So I need to figure out, how bad the shellac and the grain and stuff is here. But then these guys, I got this from the kids across the street, and then this one I got for free